In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon in Hostinger. A favicon is a small icon displayed on a browser tab next to your website's title, and while it might seem like a minor detail, it plays an important role in your website's branding and professionalism. It helps users identify your website quickly when they have multiple tabs open. So let's dive in and make your website stand out. First, you'll need to head over to the Hostinger platform. Go to websites by navigating through your Hostinger dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a list of your hosted sites. Find the website that you're working on and click on Edit Website. Doing this will open the Hostinger website editor where all the magic happens. Inside the editor, your next step is to access the menu for additional settings. Look over on the left side of the screen for the three dots icon, which indicates more options. These additional settings are crucial because that's where you can modify various aspects of your site, including the favicon. Now, click on General Settings from the expanded options. This will bring you to a new menu where you can find numerous site customization options. As you scroll through, keep an eye out for the favicon section. This section reveals your current favicon, which is by default the generic one provided by Hostinger. At this point, we're going to find a way to add or modify that small image. Click on Add Image, which will prompt a menu offering several choices for image selection. You have options like Upload files from your local storage, My Library for previously used images, Free images, and even AI images generated on demand. For today's demonstration, let's select Free Images, which offers a variety of icons you can use without additional cost. After selecting Free Images, browse through the collection to find a favicon that best fits your site's theme and aesthetics. Once you've found it, simply click on Select. The favicon will immediately update, providing a fresh look to your website's browser tab. To finalize the process, you cannot forget the crucial step of saving your changes. So go ahead and click on Save Changes to ensure that your new favicon is applied. And just like that, your website now features a customized favicon, enhancing its professionalism and making it more recognizable. Hopefully this tutorial has been clear and helpful. Updating your favicon is a simple yet effective way to improve your site's branding. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your online presence. See you in the next video.